There are so many different flavoured yogurts on the market. I really can't keep up. And some of them have loads of additives to it and loads of sugar. So I like to make my own yogurts at home, flavoured yogurts, just like a strawberry yogurt. So you'll need a punnet of ripe strawberries, just like these. These are so stunning. As soon as you open it, you can smell the perfume of them. We're going to take the tops off the strawberries, and this is what I would make religiously each week for my baby. No sugar added, just the natural sugar from our strawberries. So after you've taken the tops off the strawberries, you can also do this with fresh raspberries and fresh blueberries. You can even mix them up. Essentially, we're making a compote, but we're going to really keep an eye on the strawberries in the pot. Compote usually has some sugar in it too. I'm not adding any sugar. We just want the natural sugars to come out of the strawberries to make the compote, but also to sweeten our yogurt. So we'll cut them into quarters, and some water, just the tiniest amount of water. You don't need too much, just a dribble, just to get it going as it cooks. Heat goes on. You want these to break down. You want all of their natural juices to come out. So we'll just give that a stir, and you keep an eye on that. Now that's going to bubble away for a few minutes, and this is what it's going to turn into, this wonderful compote. I just love this. You can eat this as is, but it's even better with some gorgeous yogurt. So when I am making a big batch of this, I add some good quality yogurt into a bowl. You can layer it if you like. Sometimes I actually enjoy mixing it all the way through the Greek yogurt that has no sugar in it, of course. And we're just going to fold that in. You can even marble it and have a look at that. Isn't that just the most divine thing? The simplest of things really are the best. 2 ingredients, Greek-style yogurt and our strawberries. I've got these beautiful little yogurt pots. You can actually buy these online if you like, or just use any container of your choice. Fill them up, and these are ready to go for a wholesome breakfast or a little afternoon tea. My little Louie would love this straight after his lunch. A gorgeous homemade strawberry yogurt ready for the whole family. No nasties, 2 ingredients, good quality fresh strawberries and yogurt.